Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with angellist.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit angellist.com and create an account if you haven't already. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your email and create a secure password. Once you've registered, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your AngelList account using your registered email and password. Navigate to the Invest section from the main menu. Take time to familiarize yourself with the available investment opportunities. Use the search bar to look for startups that match your investment interests. Filter the startups by category, stage, or location to narrow down your options. Click on a startup that catches your attention to view its profile. Review the startup's pitch, team background, and financial projections. Examine the terms of the investment, including minimum and maximum investment amounts. Assess the risk factors associated with investing in that startup. If you are interested, click on the Invest button. Input the amount you'd like to invest in that startup. Confirm your investment choice by reviewing the details once more. Accept any agreements required for the investment. Complete your payment through the secure payment method provided. Once your investment is processed, you should receive a confirmation email. Monitor your investments through the AngelList dashboard. Regularly check for updates from the startups you've invested in. Participate in any community or forum discussions on AngelList to gain insights. Continue to research and explore additional investment opportunities over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.